The 2025 Ford Falcon ***. This car is a concept car that was unveiled by Ford in 2012. It was never actually put into production. However, there is a lot of speculation online about what a 2025 Ford Falcon might be like. Some people believe that it would be a muscle car, while others believe that it would be a more luxurious sedan. The Falcon F7 by America's Falcon Motorsports ***. This was also a concept car that was unveiled in 2011. It is a much more likely candidate for a 2025 production car, as America's Falcon Motorsports is a real company that is working on developing a supercar. However, there is no official information about a 2025 production date. Design. The Falcon F7 has a unique design that is inspired by 1980s supercars. It has wedge-like cues, a Lamborghini nose, a Ford GT hood, and a Ferrari 512 Berlinetta-inspired rear end. Performance. The exact performance specifications of the Falcon F7 are unknown, but it is expected to have a powerful engine that can produce over 1,000 horsepower. Interior. There is not much information available about the interior of the Falcon F7. However, it is expected to be luxurious and comfortable. Price. The price of the Falcon F7 is also unknown. However, it is expected to be very expensive, as it is a supercar. Overall, the Falcon F7 is a very exciting car. It has a unique design, powerful performance, and a luxurious interior. However, it is important to note that it is still a concept car and there is no official information about a production date.